Hello students, welcome to my channel again. I am Shubho Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science in Department of Computer Application and Science. Today we are going to discuss about very important topic in software engineering, that is documentation. Let's start. Today we are going to cover what is documentation, some important documentation and why documentation is needed. Now what is documentation? Software documentation is a record by which we can get all information about the software. We can know about the architecture, workability, structure, design, coding, database, testing procedure, in fact the drawback and limitation of the software. Documentation is maintained by written material, image or video instruction. Now some important documentation. First, we should think about the SRS. The full form of SRS is Software Requirement Specification. In SRS, we generally documented any type of requirement specification. That may be software, hardware or any other resources. Next is operational documentation. Operational documentation means here we maintain all the operation being carried out and their interdisciplinary actions. Number 3 is TechDoc. The full form of TechDoc is Technical Documentation. Here we documented all the technical methods and codes in this documentation. Number 4 is Design Documentation. Design documentation identifies or documented all about the designs that may be front end or back end. Number 5 is User Manual. It is very known by us. User manual is for the users where we can describe how the software is going to use or what is the procedure to use the software. Number 6, testing documentation. In testing documentation, we are documented which type of testing we have done for correctness of the software. Testing documentation also identify which test case we have used for the project. And last but not the least, the project report. Project report documented for everything for project from the starting date to end date, and here we documented everything from the planning to implementation. Now we are going to discuss about why documentation needed. There are several advantages of documentation. If we maintain the proper documentation, then we keep track all the parts of the software, so we can make our software more perfect. If we make proper documentation, then our maintenance will be easier. So if we found any type of error in our software, we can identify where the error is occurring and we can solve that problem very easily. Sometimes project will be run for long time. In between the time, developer can be changed for the project. If the documentation is proper, then there will be no problem for new developer to understand the project. If the design, coding and testing documentation is proper, then it improves overall quality of the software. Sometimes physical training is not possible for the client. So if the documentation is proper, then it can help in training for the client. Although physical training is there, then also documentation can help as user guidance. Legal issue. If all the documentation is clear and proper, company will not face any type of legal issue for that particular software. We have discussed only 6 advantages of software documentation, but there are several advantages are present, so software documentation is very much needed. This is all for today. Hope you got a basic knowledge about the documentation. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment on the video. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss the video. Stay tuned with us for more tutorial video. I am Shubho signing off today. Thank you.